above us, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop.
Yo, ikiganiro ni exclusive 250 nizere ko mumeze neza.
Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now.
Yes, yo mumeze neza cyane, nanjye mba meze neza.
Talk too much, grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my.
Mwabyumvise ni BoffoPlay aho muri kumwe nanjye Isaac. Ikiganiro cyo ni exclusive 250.
Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room.
Yes, tuzamukana na Shape of You n'izindi ndirimbo ziri kuri ziri kuri album nshyashya y'uyu muhanzi bita Ed Sheeran.
I'm in love with your body.
Yes, harimo za Perfect, Dive, Eraser n'izindi nyinshi.
I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. When we came, we let the story begin. We're going out on.
Nizere ko muri buze kuryoherwa, gusa ntago twakwibagirwa kugenda tubahereza breaking news.
Now it's about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay.
Aho tugenda tubahereza tumwe mu dukuru turi kugenda ducicikana hirya no hakurya hose mu mpande enye zose z'isi.
Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say boy, let's not talk too much.
Yes, aho twababwira ko hano mu Rwanda ikirimo kugenda kivugwa cyane ari ku tariki ya 24 z'ukwa gatandatu 2017 ubwo hazaba ari ku munsi wo kuwa gatandatu w'icyumweru.
I'm in love with your body.
Yes, ubwo hazaba hari kuba final ubwo hazaba hari kuba final ya Primus Guma Guma Superstar season ya 7. Iri ngiri akaba ari irushanwa rikomeye hano mu Rwanda, aho ryagiye ryitabirwa n'abahanzi benshi, gusa abari kugenda bahabwa amahirwe hakaza kuba hazamo Christopher. Yes, hakaza kugarukamo Bulldog cyangwa se Buda, Kemosobe n'ibindi. Indatwa cyangwa se Dream Boys. Yes, na Oda Pasi.
Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on.
Yes, gusa nyine ntago turi abajaji ba Lion baraho bicaye hariya bategereje kuba batanga amanota, natwe nyine tugategereza tukumva ibyo bavuga. Niyo mpamvu nyine nanjye ahangaha nshyizeho iki akadomo.
I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby.
Yes, bibutsa ko ikiganiro ari exclusive 250 dukomezanya na byinshi. Gusa nkomeza kubifuriza kuryoherwa na muzika.
Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
I love green music.
Yes, kwizamukanira na Perfect. Gusa icyo nge nababwira cyo nuko ku munsi wa 24 uku kwezi kwa gatandatu turimo, ntabwo ukwiye kuba ucikwa Primus Guma Guma Superstar.
Beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell
in love.
Knowing what it was, I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight.
I love great music.
Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets. To carry
Yes, ati to carry more than just my secret.
We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time, darling. Just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this.
Yes, twikomereje cyane noneho akantu ko giye kuza ngarukaho ni nk'ikibazo cy'umunsi aho ngo nk'ubu uri kumwe na girlfriend wawe muri kugenda mu muhanda mugahura ni indaye yigeze ikwiba amafaranga menshi cyane, wayizanye iwawe washobora kwikaruma cyangwa wakwemera gusebera imbere ya jifi wawe ukiruka ku gisambo. Icyo ni ikibazo.
Or listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see.
Yes, akandi ko noneho ni urwenya aho umukobwa mu Bushinwa agezeyo, umusore w'umushinwa amutera inda maze agaruka inaha mu Rwanda, maze wa mwana ahita apfa igihe kingana n'umwaka, maze nyina w'umukobwa ati apu naho yari yatinze kuko n'ubundi iby'Abashinwa ntibiramba.
I love great music.
Yes, twikomereje cyane. Uyu we ni nk'aho ari amaganya afite, ngo akiri muto rwose, ngo abamama ngo bamubwiraga ko ngo ari mwiza cyane ku buryo ngo bazamuhereza abakobwa babo, ngo none ubu yarakuze, ngo ariko abo mama yabuze iyo bari.
Maybe I played my cards wrong, oh, just a little bit wrong. Oh, baby, I apologize for it.
Yes, akako noneho niba twakita agashya cyangwa se twakita ikinange sinzi, ni mukanya ku matariki aherutse, ubwo hari kuri tariki 17 z'uku kwezi kwa gatandatu 2017, isaha z'isa 11 Kicukiro, aho ngaho ni mu murenge, akagari ko ni Kicukiro, village yo bayita Triangle muri White Lodge. Polisi nibwo yafatiyemo executive secretary w'akagari ka Ngeruka, umurenge wa Ngeruka, akarere ka Bugesera, witwa Ntabahwana Gerard, ufite imyaka 29. Yes, ubwo yari aryamanye n'abakobwa babiri b'abanyeshuri biga muri Catholic Nyamata, ari bo mu Sayidire Diane w'imyaka 17, na Mukobuteta Mukizwa Kevin w'imyaka 17, bose biga mu mwaka wa 5. Urumva ko iki kintu nacyo ntabwo gisanzwe inaha.
I could fly here in your aeroplane, and I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all and lie awake
Yes, nkomeze kwizera ko muri kugenda muryoherwa n'iyi si ya muzika turi kugenda tubashyiramo. Isaha zo ni isaa 6:36 ku saha yo mu Rwanda.
So let me know the truth before I die.
Sinabura kubibutsa ko ku tariki 3 ubwo hazaba ari kuwa mbere mu kwezi kwa karindwi kuri Kivu La Kivu Serena Hotel Beach, aho hazaba habera summer event yateguwe na Promo Africa. Yes, ikazaba irimo abahanzi
I could fall or I could fly.
Yes, izaba irimo abahanzi batandukanye bavuye mu bihugu bitatu bya East Africa. Gusa igitangaje nuko harimo umuhanzi Khalidi.
Give my all, sitting back, looking at every mess that I've made. So don't call me baby.
Yes, mu ncamake icyo naza mbabwira cyo nuko hazaba harimo Young Mondo, Michael Rose, Khalidi, Voltage Music, One Night King, Asina Era, KB Boy, DJ Troixy, DJ Africano, DJ P4 na Philipita.
Let me know the truth before.
Yes, iyi event ikaba izabera mu mire izabera mu duce dutatu dutandukanye, aho izabibera ni Musanze tariki ya mbere.
I love green music.
Yes, nizere ko ahantu nk'aho ngaho mutacikwa cyane ko azaba ari mu matariki atangiza kwezi.
I love green music.
I was born inside a small town. I lost that state of mind. Learned to sing.
Okay, reka mbigiye gufata ku mazi, namwe nizere ko mugiye kugumya muryoherwa na music ngiye gusigara mbakinira.
The pain that blessed me with the life. Friends and family filled with envy when they should be filled with pride. And when the world's against me is when I really come alive. And every day that Satan tempts me, I try to take it in my stride. You know that I've got whiskey with white lies and smoke in my lungs. I think life has got to the point I know without it's no fun. I need to get in the right mind and clear myself up. Instead I look in the mirror questioning what I become. Guess it's a stereotypical day for someone like me, without a 9-to-5 job or a uni degree, to be caught up in the trappings of the industry. Show me the locked doors, I'll find another use for the key, and you'll see I'm well aware of certain things that can destroy a man like me. But with that said, give me one more.
I love green music.
Another one to take the sin away. I am happy on my own, so here I'll stay. Save your love and arms for a rainy day, and I'll find comfort in my pain. A razor. I used to think that nothing could be better than touring the world with my songs. I chased a picture perfect life, I think they painted it wrong. I think that money is the root of all evil and fame is hell. Relationships and hearts you fix, they break as well. And ain't nobody wanna see you down in the dumps, because you're living your dream, man, it should be fun. Please know that I'm not trying to preach like I'm Reverend Run. I beg you don't be disappointed with the man I've become. Oh, conversations with my father on the A14, age 12, telling me I've gotta chase those dreams. Now I'm playing for the people, dad, and they know me, with my beating small guitar, wearing the same old jeans. Wembley Stadium crowd, 240,000. I may have grown up, but I hope the Damien's proud. Until the next generation, inspiration's allowed. The world may be filled with hate, but keep erasing it now. Somehow, I'm well aware of certain things that will befall a man like me. But with that said, give me